Hi guys! Join me today while I'm unboxing and building the FMS Kingfisher with 1 meter and 40 centimeters wingspan. Let's have a look at the box. Of course, the front side with the skis. I have the version with no skis attached and no floats. They didn't have the deluxe version where it comes with floats and everything. I will maybe order that later on. So this side the big FMS logo. On this side is two versions with everything and only with the wheels. And then on the back side we have the things included and a nice picture of it flying. And on this side there is a little description about the airplane, about the features and everything. And here on this side are the specifications. We have 1 meter 40 wingspan and we have 40 amp ESC inside and 4 9G servos. For the battery they recommend a 3-cell 2200 milliamp. I think you can go up to 3000 milliamp if you want to. Okay, so now let's open her up and see what's inside, what hides inside the very good package. Okay, put away the enormous box. There is the propeller, of course. Put this on the side so that I can take out piece by piece. Of course, there is the instruction, very important. Then we have a special window part for the FPV gear, for those who like to fly FPV. Okay. Then we have the main frame. We have the right wing and left wing with the flaps. Everything. Then we have the horizontal stabilizer. It all looks very solid. I like that. And then here we have a package with the tail gear, with the Y harness for the servos, so that you can hook everything together. You only need a 6-channel receiver. Here we have the stabilization rod for the wings. And last but not least, we have the gear with those very light and very enormous bush wheels. So let's start the building. So I have now programmed the flaps and everything is programmed now. Ailerons, heights, sides, everything is on, motor is running, and the flaps. There is some different stages for the flaps. Full, a little bit less, and flaps up, of course. So now all we need to do is mount the propeller. Let's unplug the battery, always for safety reasons. We need the spinner, of course, first. And then what we need to do is mount our propeller. Put on the spinner in the right way, of course. And put everything together with the screws. I just realized I only have one screw left, so that's a problem. I'm gonna need another screw. I will look for that. But of course I will first install everything. How will this work? I think I get it. It's just the top which rotates. It doesn't need screws. Just mount it like that. It's the spinner head with the holes for better cooling of the motor. So we can do a little test. I will test it on the field. I will see you guys on the field. Thanks you for watching, and I hope I will see you for the maiden.